Welcome to Every Crypto. My name is Arthur, and in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can trade Bitcoin, Ethereum and everything on Bitrue crypto exchange. And of course I'm going to show you my personal strategies that I use to maximize my profits and pretty much anything. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What you are looking at right here is Bitrue crypto exchange, very user-friendly dashboard, and it's very simple to use. So in this video I'm going to show you how exactly you can trade, spot trading, and pretty much be able to buy low and sell high and make some profits using Bitrue crypto exchange. So of course the first thing you want to do is just to create an account and deposit some funds to your wallet. So as you can see right here in my wallet, I've got at least 100 USD, and this is the amount that I'm going to use to show you how exactly you are going to use spot trading on Bitrue. As you can see, this is my accumulative P&L. So I trade on this account and I'm able to make at least 300 USD to 1000 USD every time when I trade with spot trading. So these are strategies that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video so that you guys can also do the same. So once you create an account and deposit some funds, obviously you're going to have to go to where it's written trade right here and click where it's written spot trading. Good thing about spot trading is you're not going to be risking your whole account, and you're not going to be worried about getting liquidated. What you're doing here is just buying when the prices are low, and you're going to be selling when the prices are high. And this is why I say spot trading is really good for beginners and advanced traders who just want to accumulate these profits and stuff like that. So if you want to grow your small account, make sure you stick to spot trading and watch the whole Bitrue tutorial so that you guys can be able to grow your account from small accounts to a bigger one, know what I mean? So what you want to do is you want to go to where it's written spot trading like this, and you're going to see a spot trading dashboard that look like this, and this is the user-friendly spot trading dashboard. As you can see, I've got my chart right here, and this is chart provided by TradingView, and right here I've got order book, and these numbers in red, these are people that are putting sell orders, and these numbers in green, these are people that are putting buy orders. And I'm going to explain to you how this works. Just stay with me. And right here I've got your market, and you can be able to choose, let's say you want Bitcoin pair, you're just going to click right there and it's going to show you a Bitcoin pair right here. So right here you can also see the current price of Bitcoin, and of course you also have the same price right here. So you can also see percentage change within 24 hours. So within 24 hours, it means that Bitcoin has gone up by 1.16% to the upside. And right here I've got past history, so you can see the time, the number of Bitcoins, and the price in Bitcoin. These are trades that have been executed right here on Bitrue exchange, so you can see pretty much anything. And most importantly, right here I've got these two tabs, right? You have got a sell tab and you have got a buy tab. So let's say you want to buy Bitcoin, you're going to have to focus on this buy tab, because this is where you're going to be able to buy. So let's say you already bought some Bitcoin and you're willing to sell, you're going to have to focus on sell tab, which is written sell BTC, you know what I mean? So this is pretty much anything that you need to know for you to be able to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Bitrue crypto exchange using spot trading. So let's say you want to buy some BTC right now. As you already know that we have 100 USD in our wallet, and we're going to use these funds to buy some BTC right now. So what you want to do is you want to go to where it's written buy BTC right here. And of course you have to know the difference between a limit order and a market order. If we use a market order, our trade is going to get executed immediately, and if we use a limit order, we're going to have to set a price that we are willing to buy at, you know what I mean? So let's say I want to use a limit order. As you can see, Bitcoin currently is being traded at 98,337 US dollars. So we want to put our own price that we're willing to buy at, you know what I mean? So let's say we want to buy Bitcoin at 97,000 United States dollars. So we're just gonna type right here 97,000 like this, right? And right here you have to put the amount of Bitcoin that we're willing to take. So Bitrue has got this feature right here that made it easier for you. Let's say we want to spend 50% of our available balance right here, meaning that we can just swipe with this to 50%. So in this case, we can see that we're gonna get this amount of BTC, which is 0.0005 worth of BTC, and we're gonna spend at least 50 USD to get this amount, you know what I mean? So let's say we want to spend the whole available balance that we have, which is 100 USD. We can just swipe this to 100%, right, to 100% right here, meaning that we're going to get 0.001 worth of BTC, and this is the total amount that we're spending. Or you can just type right here the amount that you want to spend, like 50 USD like this, and it's going to do all the calculations and show you how much BTC you're going to get. So if we're satisfied with this, we can just go ahead and click buy, and we're gonna set an order in the order book. So this is where it's gonna make sense to you, because you can be able to see your order somewhere also right here, because we set an order in the order book and it has been recorded right here in the order book, right? Is under 97,000. That's why you cannot see it. But if the price of Bitcoin goes down to 97,000 right here, our order is going to get executed, and we're going to have some BTC in our wallet. And you can also track it right here. You can see the date, and it's BTC to USDT. The order type is limit, and we're buying BTC. You know what I mean? And this is the price that we're buying at, meaning that if the price of Bitcoin drops to 97,000 from 98,292, our order is going to get executed, and we're going to have this amount of BTC in our wallet. So right here you can see the amount of Bitcoin that has been filled up, and also there's percentage right here, and this order has costed us at least 48 USD. So we're spending 48 USD to get this amount of BTC. So let's say I want to buy Bitcoin immediately, I don't want to wait and stuff like that. I can just click cancel and click confirm. So we have canceled it. Now we have got our money back. So we want to buy using a market order, so that we're not going to wait and stuff like that. Our order is going to get filled immediately using a market order. So what you want to do is you want to switch to where it's written market like this, and swipe this to 100% like this, and simply click buy. You know what I mean? And you have successfully submitted. Now we have some BTC in our wallet, and you can also be able to see it right here. And we can also be able to sell this BTC to anyone. You can also be able to send this BTC to anyone, anywhere in the world and stuff like that. So now that you know how to buy BTC, and of course if you want to sell, something applies right here. Let's say you want to sell BTC to USDT or BTC to any other coin. You can just come right here and choose whether you want to use a limit order and a market order. And don't worry guys, I'm going to explain to you a strategy that you can use to take advantage of this volatility and advantage of spot trading. Because with spot trading, you want to buy when the prices are low, and you want to sell later when the prices are high. So you're going to be taking advantage of this price difference. You want to be buying when the prices are low. For example, when the prices are low like this, you want to be buying at 95,000 US dollars, and when the price of Bitcoin goes up to 100,000 US dollars, that's when you have to be willing to sell at higher price, so that you can make profits. And this is advantage of spot trading. You're not going to be worried about liquidation and stuff like that, and those are things for futures trading. So I'm going to make another video for futures trading, whereby I'm going to show you how exactly you can use leverage trading, and I'm going to also explain to you some strategies and stuff like that that you can take advantage of. So since now we have bought some BTC, let's say you want to sell this BTC back to USDT or back to any other altcoin and stuff like that, what you want to do is you want to put the amount of BTC that you want to sell. So same thing applies right here. I can just put like 50% of my available BTC that I have to sell, or I can just put 100% of my available BTC that I have. If I use a limit order, I can decide where exactly I want to sell my Bitcoins at. So let's click limit order, and since I bought this BTC at 98,253, I can be like, okay, I want to sell my BTC at 100,000 US dollars, so that I can be able to make some profits. So what you want to do is you want to go to where it's written price right here, and type 100,000 like this, right? So right here you have to put the amount of BTC that you want to sell, or you can just type right here in US dollars. It's up to you. So let's say you want to swipe this to 100% like this, and click sell BTC. Now we have got a sell order in the order book waiting to be filled, and if the price of Bitcoin goes to 100 USD, we're gonna sell our BTC. You know what I mean? So you can see the total of amount that we're gonna be selling is 90 USD, and is 0 because nothing has been filled. The price is still at 98,000. But let's say you want to sell immediately without waiting and stuff like that, and all you have to do is just to do the same thing. go to West Written Markets and click and swipe this to 100%, right, and click sell BTC. And just like that, we have got our money back, but because of some fees and stuff like that, now is 99.86. So I think we have paid at least like 30 cents and stuff like that for transaction fees. So a strategy that I use to take advantage of spot trading, I use Heavy Crypto Indicator, and this indicator tells me when exactly I should be buying and when exactly I should be selling. As you can see, if it's time to buy, I get a buy signal and the price go up, you know what I mean? And when it's time to sell, I get a sell signal and the price goes down. Another example right here, I got a buy signal and the price, you can see that has been going up from this point up to this point, you know what I mean? Right here we got a sell signal and the price dumped from this point all the way down to this point, you know what I mean? So this indicator tells me when it's good time to be buying and when it's good time to be selling. So what I do is I just apply it on my chart, currently looking at the BTC to USDT chart, you know what I mean? And if I get a buy signal, I go back to Bitrue right here and buy some BTC, and you know the price go up, of course. And if I get a sell signal, just like right here, meaning that, you know, I bought at lower price and then now I got a sell signal, I go back to Bitrue right here and then sell my BTC at higher price and make profit using this price difference. And the link to this indicator is going to be in the description below as well. Or you can just go to heavycryptouniversity.online and that's where you can find this indicator. It's called Heavy Crypto Indicator. You know what I mean? So my name is Arthur, guys. This is an honest review showing you how exactly you can trade on Bitrue crypto exchange and be able to take advantage of spot trading every time. And you can do this anywhere in the world or using a smartphone and stuff like that. They have an app you can also use and trade on Bitrue. So the link to Bitrue is going to be in the description below on the very top of the description. Use my link to get some at least bonuses and 100 USD straight to your wallet. And of course, if you want to know how exactly you can trade futures trading on Bitrue crypto exchange, make sure you watch this video right here, whereby I'm going to explain to you how exactly you can trade futures trading on Bitrue right here. So make sure you click this video right here, and therefore as soon as the video, guys, love and peace. Cheers.